if you want to come to the UK to visit your family, and if you apply for business visit visa, you'll not get visa. Or if you apply for a medical visit visa, you need to know which visa is right for you to come to the UK. Whether if you come for work permit or for a visit or for any other types of visa, you need to know which visa is right for you, and accordingly, you should fill up the application form on the available from the Home Office website. Now, even in terms of work permit, people know only work permit, but there are different types of work permit, different types of work visa available to the UK. Today, I'm going to give a brief introduction of almost main types of visa, which is available for EU, non-EU or EU citizen from now on to come to the UK. So, or if any company or if any family want to bring their family member to the UK, or if anyone want to hire anyone, or if anyone want to come to the UK, they will get a brief idea which visa they should choose to come to the UK. So right now in the UK, as you see in the screen, business visa, study visa means student visa, different types of student visa, visitor visa, different types of family visa, different types of work visa, means for work permits, and as well as a visa on the basis of human rights or private and family life. So I'll give you first about visit visa. So visit visa, we know only two visit visa, but there are different types of visit visa, and you should choose right visit visa, right category for you, and accordingly, on the basis of that category, you should submit a relevant document. Otherwise, the Home Office will or anti-clearance officer will refuse your visa, and that's the reason many visit visa, out of 80% visit visa refused by the Home Office, especially on Asian country and African country, just because the right document not supplied with the application. So in visit visa, this is the initial information only. If you want to know more details, you should visit Home Office website. In visit visa, standard visitor visa, marriage visitor visa, if you come to the UK to enter into marriage, or if you want to come to take part in a marriage ceremony, you can apply marriage visitor visa. Marriage visitor visa basically is an alternative to fiancé visa. Family visit visa, if you want to come to see any of your family, brothers, sisters, or any friends, you should apply for family visit visa. Medical visit visa, if you come to UK for medical treatment, you should choose medical visit visa. A business visit visa, basically, if you come to the UK to set up a business with the intention to meeting with foreign buyers or any other business related activities, unpaid activities, you should apply for business visit visa. And finally, a short study visit visa. This is basically for a student who want to come to the UK for a short study, less than 6 months or 6 months or two. If they want to come to the UK, for example, they failed to previously they was in the UK and they cannot pass any exam and they want to come to the UK to sit in an exam, they can apply for short study visit visa, which is less than 6 years. So this is all about visit visa. And then I'll give an introduction for work visa. Now, it is important because recently Home Office update their work permit, which they introduced, skilled worker visa. Skilled worker visa basically the replacement of Tier 2 general work permit visa. Other than the skilled worker visa, there are also different types of visa available under the work visa. If you come to the UK, or if anyone want to come to the UK, they can work at the same time. They can do business in the UK. So first, skilled worker visa, which is the latest introduced from the 31st of December, the work permit about if anyone come to the UK, they need to gain 70 points. So that is what is known to be skilled worker visa. Investor visa is basically for investment. So if any non-EU or EU citizen want to come to the UK with the intention to invest £2 million or more than £2 million, they will get investor visa. They should come to the UK investor visa. The startup visa is basically for, it is a replacement. The startup visa and innovator visa both is the replacement of tier 2 entrepreneur visa. So if anyone want to come to the UK with the intention to set up a business, they should come on a startup visa first, and then after that, after 2 years, they can apply or switch to innovator visa. Minister of Religious Union visa. This is basically tier 2 work permit visa. So if anyone want to come to the UK as a imam, or if anyone come to the UK in church, then they should come to the under Minister of Religion visa. And then intercompany transfer visa, if a company who run their business in the UK and the main branch outside the UK, they can send their employee under intercompany transfer visa. Sport person visa again is a tier 2 visa. So if anyone want to come to the UK, and if any club in the UK, whether a football club or a cricket club or any other sporting club sponsor them, they can come to the UK sports person visa. And finally, global talent visa. Global talent visa is basically a replacement of exceptional talent visa. If you have an exceptional idea or knowledge in the field of science, arts, medical science, engineering, then you can come to global talent visa. This is just introduction of different types of visa. I'll not advise you about the details requirement. I have different video which is each category, the requirement procedure to apply. I have already uploaded. So the today's session is just to give an introduction of different types of visa, and then finally temporary worker. Now, temporary worker visa is basically for 2 years or 1 year. So for example, temporary religious worker in Ramadan time when Quran Hafiz come to the UK, or if any muezzin or temporary imam or any church, if anyone temporary come to the UK for less than 2 years or 12 months or 3 months, they can come on temporary religious worker, temporary worker for a sports person, different types of category, which is very short terms visa. Now, next one, UK family visa. Now, in family visa is basically a different type spouse visa. So let me start with access to right to a child in the UK. This category of, for example, if a child settle in the UK or a British citizen, if the parents live outside the UK, they can come to the UK on the ground of Article EX1 or Article 8 access right to a child, or even if someone in the UK as well, they can apply on the basis of their relationship with a child. Same-sex partner visa is same types of spouse visa. So UK spouse visa. So if someone get married outside the UK, if their sponsor is settled in the UK, they can bring their spouse on spouse visa. Anti-clearance, indefinitely to remain, enter as a child under 18. If a child whose parents is settled in the UK or British citizen, and if their parents lives outside the UK, and if they don't have anyone to look after them, the child can enter to the UK with indefinite leave to remain. Same as adult dependent visa, where the adult dependent family member will get indefinite leave to remain if their children settle in the UK, or if their children are British citizen in the UK, and if they don't have anyone to look after their parents, the parents can enter into the UK with indefinite leave to remain, although there is very rare, a lot of requirement need to fulfill to get parents visa. You can still partner visa, so it's same types of partner visa. If it is in case same sex, or even now it is applicable to opposite sex as well, with the intention to get married in the UK, or they can come in fiancé visa, unmarried partner visa. If someone live in the UK for 2 years, they're not married, which is they're going to marry, they can enter to the UK, or they can apply unmarried partner visa. And then finally, indefinite leave to remain as a partner. So if someone's get empty clearance visa on a spouse, and if unfortunately for any reason, if the spouse passed away, they can apply for indefinite leave to remain on the basis of their spouse has passed away. And then a victim of domestic violence as well, if someone in a spouse visa in the UK, and if their partner is British or settled in the UK, if he or she became a victim of domestic violence, he or she can apply for indefinitely to remain as a victim of domestic violence. And the next one, asylum and human rights basis. Now, if someone can seek asylum, there are different requirements for asylum. So if someone can establish that he or a fear of persecution because of his belief or because of his political opinion or because of his color, sex, or because of his personal identity or because of his religion, he can seek asylum in the UK. And if the Home Office recognize him as a refugee, and then he will get leave to remain. Humanitarian protection, when someone asylum is refused because he is not within the definition of refugee under Article 1 of Refugee Convention 1951. However, in that case, if he's not protected by Refugee Convention, then the Home Secretary can give him protection under humanitarian protection, that is, leave to remain on the basis of humanitarian protection. Family reunion for refugee, if someone recognized as a refugee under Article 1 of UN Convention 1951, then their family, including their wives or husband or their children, then come to the UK under family reunion road. But what they need to prove that they were refugee and their family left behind their home country when they left, or when they were forced, when he was forced to left his home country, that is family reunion route. Gestationally, if someone not protected by Article 1 of Refugee Convention, neither got protection under humanitarian protection, but still Home Secretary can grant his application or leave to remain rule and outside the immigration rules, which is also known as discretionary leave to remain. Fresh asylum claim is basic. That is, if someone seek asylum, however, is refused, if the circumstance has changed, subsequently he can claim a fresh asylum to the Home Office, and accordingly, Home Secretary may grant his asylum claim on the basis of a fresh circumstance. And this is what all about. And finally, Article 8. Also, this is relating to human rights claim, private and family life. If someone spend half of his life in the UK, if he's under 25, he can claim leave to remain on the basis of Article 8, private and family life. If a child born in the UK, or if child born outside the UK, but before he turned 18, if he spends 7 years in the UK, he can claim leave to remain on the basis of his private and family life under Article 8 of European Convention on Human Rights, that is known to be 7 years rules. And then 10 years long residence, if someone spent legally 10 years, continuously 10 years, then he can claim leave to remain on the basis of private and family life and 10 years long residence. And the next, private and family life, 20 years long residence. Again, if someone live in the UK or spend 20 years, irrespective of voluntary overstay or without paper, irrespective of whether he has visa or not, if he can prove that he spent 20 years in the UK, then he will get leave to remain on the basis of his 20 years long residence under Article 8, private and family life. So this is all a brief introduction of UK visa and immigration, with different types of visa which is available for non-EU or EU citizen currently And if you know that what types of visa actually you need, it will be helpful for you to choose what types of visa you enter to the UK, especially for work permit, because people not only work permit and they're looking for work in the UK, but you need to know what types of work permit you should enter into. Even if you don't get a permanent work permit, you can get a temporary work permit from any company in the UK. They're temporary a work permit about which is less than 2 years or 6 months, 1 or 2 months, these types of visa. If you know that right visit visa, which visa you should apply, you can choose and apply accordingly, whatever visa you need. I hope you got some basic information regarding visa. Visa.co.uk. This is the website where all types of visa is available, or information available, the requirement, and immigration / visa.co.uk. This is my website. In this website, all types of information is available. I'll show you the link where you should go and see. This is the website where you will get all types of visa requirement and types of visa which is currently available in the UK. So this is the website appear in the screen. Okay, this is my website, immigration. So if you go there, this is the types of visa available and what is the requirement. So this is the you see in the screen, UK work visa, family visa, UK visit visa, study visa. Okay, student visa is not only if you are a student visa, you can come under short-term study visa, tier 4 child student visa for a child under 16, under 17, and tier 4 general student visa. So this is the student visa available. The parents of a child student visa as well can come to the UK with their child or children. Visit visa also I have discussed. In settlement visa, British nationality, and the details, private and family life application, and then business and corporate, what types of business is available. This all details in my website, UK ancestor visa, the requirement procedure to apply, the new point-based system, and the visa under EU settlement scheme, that is pre-settled status, or including for future family member and family member or family member visa. So this is all details, information available. If you want to know more, you can visit my website at immigration/visa.co.uk. And thank you very much. It's a short video about the introduction of different types of visa available for for non-EU or EU citizen. Right now we say that non-UK nationals. So now under the new immigration rules, because of the Brexit, all the EU nationals as well as non-EU nationals under immigration control. So if any non-UK citizen, whether you are from Europe or from non-Europe, if you want to come to the UK, you need to enter into the UK with a visa, whether work permit or visit visa, whatever it is. However, there is exception for EU citizens. They can come to the UK up to 3 months without visa. But however, they will not be able to work or claim any benefit or access to any services in the UK. Thank you, Angel, for your comment. And this is all about today. I hope this information today, whatever I discuss, will help to decide which visa, which you should apply for, which visa, which category, and what document you need to submit accordingly. Thank you all today and have a good evening.